Really, we're between a bunch of different dialers. I would say EnrollHere is more of a platform, not just a dialer. So it was a lot harder to connect what we were doing on the platform side of things by just having a specific dialer. And they're just, they're generic dialers, right? They're not, specific for Medicare. They're not built out for Medicare. With EnrollHere, it's much more tailored to exactly what we do. The capabilities, the suppressions, the client insight, the reporting, it's a lot different of a platform. I think the biggest aha moment when we started with EnrollHere was really the reporting and the KPIs in the dialer that were specific to what we were selling and not just talk time, duration, things that you would get in a traditional dialer, but more so specific to what we were doing. So seeing our sales breakdown by state, male, female, like exactly how we were targeting, and getting all that data and insight, state by state, demographic, zip code, all the way down to like any type of information that you could think of. Having that in the dialer was huge for us. The best thing about EnrollHere is the team. So being able to work with the team, and if we need something, having them build it out, where a lot of companies, it's like, hey, we don't have that feature, but I can actually have like a real conversation with them, and they realize like, hey, if one agency owner needs this, in our system, I'm sure a bunch of others could benefit off of it as well. For other platforms that you use, it is what it is. It's their platform, and the only constant in our industry is change. And if you're not with a partner that can adapt with you, you're going to be left behind. At the end of the day, you're going to have to pay for a platform, right? So it's not really what you're paying, it's more what you're getting out of the platform. Why not invest 10% more money and have an all-in-one platform that's really geared towards your business, because you're going to get out of it a lot more than you're putting in. In one sentence, I would describe EnrollHere as a all-in-one platform primarily geared to the insurance industry. Without EnrollHere, we would still be on an outdated system and dialer, scratching our heads and trying to build it all out on our own.